Okay, so today is Wednesday, January 22nd, and today and yesterday, kind of just over the past few days, I've been learning that I need to stop thinking about myself so much. I don't know about you, and I don't know if you've maybe seen this throughout my videos, but I think about my performance a lot. I feel like me and like all of my siblings, we're all kind of want to achieve a lot of things, like high achievers, and a lot of times I can just end up thinking too much about how productive I am, what I'm accomplishing, all of those things, and I just get overwhelmed because I'm thinking about those things, and I'm thinking all of the things that I haven't been doing, all the workouts I've missed, all of the things that I haven't been doing in my school, all the things I haven't been doing for my YouTube, that kind of thing. And I just think about myself too much, and I'm just thinking so much about what I'm doing and not doing, but mostly just like what I'm not doing. I think a lot about all the things that I'm not doing, and I just honestly think that I think about it too much. And for me personally, because I get overwhelmed very easily, and because I get overwhelmed of all the things I'm not doing and that kind of thing, what I've been learning recently is to just stop thinking about yourself. Stop overthinking where you're at. Stop overthinking all these things you need to do, because I already have a system set in place. Like, I'm fine. Like, I don't need to do anything. I'm just worrying unnecessarily, overthinking, right? And I just need to stop doing that. Stop thinking about myself so much, and stop overthinking where I'm at, and stop overthinking all the things that I need to do. So like with my YouTube and my be trying to be more productive, right? And I'm thinking of like, okay, I want to do this Patreon stuff. I want to be making really good videos, right? The monthly videos. I just want to be providing as much value as possible. And I'm thinking like, I haven't been doing this. And I just need to stop thinking about that, because as long as I'm still making these videos every day, right? And I'm just stick to the system, then I'm fine. If I stick to the system, then I'm happy, and I shouldn't have to overthink that. And also thinking about where I am. If you don't know, I'm a Christian, and I'm really overthinking a lot about where I stand in that, even though I kind of already know where I'm at, and it's just completely unnecessary, and I'm just completely overthinking where I'm at so much. And I just need to be focusing less on myself and more on others and more on God. So yeah, that's what I've been learning. Focus less on yourself and focus more on being as helpful as possible and providing as much value as possible, being as loving as possible towards others, right? Your sister, right? Your sister, your brother, your siblings, your parents, your friends, strangers, right? Just like through this YouTube channel, I just want to be as valuable as possible and just be as helpful as possible, instead of think, what can I get out of this? I want to be thinking more, what can my viewer get out of this, right? How can I be as helpful as possible? And then like focusing less on myself and focusing more on God, right? You can't get closer to God by focusing on yourself, right? I just have to keep my eyes fixed on Him, keep my eyes fixed on His word. So this goes directly into my verse of the day, because I need to stop overthinking where I'm at and just keep my eyes fixed, right? So Philippians 4:8 has been a verse that's been really helpful for me recently. Whatever is true, whatever is honorable, whatever is just, whatever is pure, whatever is lovely, whatever is commendable, if there's any excellence, if there's anything worthy of praise, think about these things. So I was talking to my sister yesterday, or maybe it was the day before, I don't know. And she was just saying, like, stop thinking about how terrible you are. Stop dwelling on how terrible you are. Stop dwelling on, like, these useless, like, stop overthinking. Stop dwelling on those things. And just think, like, whatever's true, honorable, just, pure, lovely, commendable. Anything that is worthy of praise, right? Anything good, basically. Think about those things. And don't think about how terrible you are and stuff like that. Because a lot of times, your thoughts lead to your actions, because one thing I learned today is that your beliefs lead to your actions, right? If I believed that tomorrow I was gonna stand in front of 1,000 people and have to give a presentation about something, then I'd probably be preparing for my presentation, right? That belief led to an action. So your beliefs lead to actions, and often our thoughts lead to beliefs, just because a lot of times when we're thinking of something a lot, it leads to a belief, even if it's not true, right? So if we're thinking like, I'm so ugly, I'm so horrible, I'm so mean, I'm so blah blah blah, even if that's not true, thinking about it will make us believe it, and then we'll change our actions based on that. So yeah, I don't know, your thoughts, what you think about a lot, right? What are you thinking about? What takes up, what lives in your mind rent free, kind of thing? What takes up your thought space? Because most often you're going to believe it, and if you believe it, then if you truly believe something, then you're going to take action on that belief. So make sure that you are taking hold. There's another verse, 2 Corinthians 10:5, take every thought captive to obey Christ, right? So instead of thinking like, I'm so horrible, right? I need to be more productive. I'm not achieving my goals, blah, blah, blah. Take every thought captive to obey Christ. Change that belief so that I can redirect my action to actually obey Christ and not just obey what I want. So, I don't know. That's kind of just what I've been learning today and just recently. Just stop thinking about yourself so much and think more about how you can help others and how you can learn from Christ, and just take every thought captive to obey Christ. So that's what I've been learning recently. If you found this video helpful, then I'd love a comment and a like. Join my Patreon for discussions and just community. It's completely free. There's also a paid option, but that's chill. Yeah, this video is specifically recommended for you, so if you find that interesting, then definitely go watch it. You can subscribe in that corner, and if you subscribe, I will see you in tomorrow's video.